Hey guys, welcome back to another candlestick patterns video, and today in this video we're gonna talk about doji candlestick patterns. Okay, we're gonna see how doji candlestick pattern is formed and how you can spot a doji candlestick patterns. Then we're gonna go through different types of doji candlesticks there are, and after that we're gonna see what is the significance of doji candlestick in the charts. Okay, and then we're gonna validate that on the live chart here down below, and after that you'll be able to understand what doji candle is and what it really means whenever you find it. Okay, please make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos, and also please press the bell icon so that you will be the first one to know whenever we upload a new content. Okay, so let's get on with the video. So first thing is, what is doji candlestick? Okay, now doji candlestick is formed when the price opens and close at almost same level. Okay, so if we see here that this candlestick here, we have for this pattern we have open here and the price went bullish for a while. Okay, and then it started going downward and then it moved up to that open level and closed there. Okay, so that can be seen here as well in this doji candle. This is basically the simplest form of doji candle. Okay, so you can see the price opened up here, the buyers pulled the market all the way up to here, and then sellers came in and they pushed the market down all the way to this level. Okay, and then again buyers took control and pushed the market to this level and the price closed here. So the price opened and closed at almost same level. Okay, and there are basically four types of doji candle, and these types are long-legged doji. Okay, here you can see that the wick of the doji candle is almost same on both sides. Okay, in the upward and in the downward side the wick is almost same. Okay, which means that the price went up, it went down, and then it went up to that same level. Okay, and another one is gravestone doji, in which the price opens up here, it goes all the way up, okay, in one, and then goes all the way down to the base. Okay, to this body. Okay, doji candle doesn't actually have body because like the price opens and closes at the same level, but this is very small body. Okay, and this is basically called the gravestone doji. Okay, and then we have a dragonfly doji, in which the price opens up at the top and the sellers pull the market all the way down to this level. Okay, and then the buyers come in and take control and pull the market all the way up. Okay, and then this here is the fourth type of doji candle, which is four price doji, in which the price doesn't move at all. Okay, now this type of candle is not very common in forex because price movement and the volatility doesn't always stay same. Okay, in forex. However, if you go into very small time frames, like if you go into 1 second or 5 seconds, you might be able to see the formation of this four price doji, but in high time frames you will not be able to find this four price doji. Okay, and yes, you can find this in stocks, but in forex you will not find four price doji in any of your technical analysis at higher time frames. Okay, so basically, again, doji candlestick shows the indecisiveness in the market. Now let's go on and study what is the significance of doji candle. So here you can see that there are two bullish candles. Okay, and then one doji candle and then the sideways movement. Okay, so here after these bullish candles a doji candle was formed, and whenever you find a doji candle in the trend, okay, here you can see the upward trend and then there's a doji candle forming. So the high of this doji candle will always act as a strong resistance. Okay, and you can see the price touching it but bouncing back. The price is touching it but always bouncing back at different levels. So this high of the doji candle will act as very strong resistance. Okay, and let me go down to this. Let me go down to the live charts and let me show you here that you can see the similar type of pattern being formed, and here you can see that there is a bullish trend. Okay, a small bullish trend, and then there's the formation of doji candle. Hey, the price basically opened up here and it went all the way up to reach this high. Okay, but here you see it was going up according to the trend, but then the sellers took control and the bears pulled the market all the way down to this level. Okay, but again the buyers tried to take control and push the market to this level and closed at the same level at which this candle opened. So you can see that there's indecisiveness. Okay, there's no decision made to which way the market is going. Okay, and after that this high will act as a strong resistance. As you can see here, the price touching it and bouncing back at different levels. All right, now whenever you spot a doji at the end of a trend, okay, it does not mean that reversal or anything. You have to look for doji, and after that you have to confirm if the trend is going to be reversed by looking at the candles which formed before doji or after doji. Okay, you need another analysis along with doji candlestick in order to confirm the trend reversal. Okay, the doji candle in itself only means that the price and the market trend has not been decided yet. The buyers and the sellers are standing at the same level. Okay, so let's say if you spotted a doji candle at the end of a bullish trend, okay, that means that buyers are getting exhausted, okay, and the sellers are trying to take control, but they haven't been able to do so, but they're trying to take control. All right, so I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I would love to answer them. And also, please make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. And you can also visit our website www.forexb.co in order to learn more about price action and forex. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Thank you.